How to open Spotify Wrap 2024. So, the Spotify Wrap is actually consists of your song playlist from January until November. So let's head right here to our home, and then from in there you can see this wrap option. You can hover and click on it. So let's click on wrap. And in here you can see your top tracks, top artists, top tracks as well, and top artists global. So if you want to see the actual video for that, you can head over and see in here some options as well. You can also head over to your all right here and you can see these options. So if you want to see your own wrap, you can head over and then just click on any of these explore top tracks as well as these tracks. And you can see in here all of the things that you have added or is according to your liking this 2024. So that's how you open Spotify Wrap 2024. Hope you helped.